certainty, reduce litigation, and the best part is, the government is listening. If you look at all the touch points in the various amendments which have come in, whether it's tax, whether it's regulatory, whether it is FDI, or whether it is different sectors, on most instances the government has heard the common man. They've heard the industry. Some very important strides have been made. Tax and regulatory changes have been made. Of course, the rabbit is still not outside the hat. The new income tax code is still to come next week. So we need to see the big bang changes which will come perhaps next week. But the prelude is quite exciting. The personal income tax changes, I don't need to belabor that point. If statistics were to be believed, 99% of the Indian population will not pay income taxes because of these reduced slabs. Already that percentage was 96, 97. It's now gone up to 99. So 99% of the Indian population is not going to pay personal income tax because of this one amendment. So it's a welcome move. There is also a lot of impetus on global capability centers, clearly something that generates employment for us. Simplification of mergers, all the right sound bites. If you look at what the sound bites have been from the government on this budget, light touch, investor friendly, focus on regulatory reforms, focus on bilateral investment treaties, and simplifying TDS, TCS, looking at transfer pricing once in 3 years. So clearly a lot of welcome changes, including the ones on indirect taxes, and I think more will come when we look at the new income tax code.